Okay, my hand. Take my hand, baby. Say good afternoon, baby Yana. Ayana, good afternoon. Oh, don't put in your mouth, baby Yana. Shh. Don't put in your mouth. Morning. Ay, nako. Naantok pa ako, baby. Mama want to sleep more. You keep disturbing mommy. I say do not put that one in your mouth. There you go. Oh. Say hi. Say hi. That's baby Yana. Oh. 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 Baby Yana is cranky. Oh. That's baby Yana. Wala sa mood. Gising niya lang. Ay, nako. That's a video, baby Yana. Say hi. We're heading to Wild Orchid. Cute Malia. Kami lang dito. Struggle is real. Look, my baby. Where's my baby Yana? Oh, there you go, my baby Yana. She's ready to swim. Her first swimming. Baby Yana, diba?
But I got some. But Papa got some boards for baby Anna to kick her legs.
Okay, where is it?
It's in Papa's cage.
Oh.
I am going to get it, but I need to change clothes first.
Okay.
You need to wait for me. Don't swim yet. Oh. It's because of you.
Yeah, it's blue. That's perfect for baby Yana.
But I got
It's a bit twinning. But baby Yana,
But I got a new school today.
you have in school today? What happened to your school? How was your school today?
But yeah, because my school is over now.
Yeah, it's over. How was it?
It's good.
How many stars do you have? You got 1 star? Wow, that's
But
good.
I didn't have two
Oh,
stars.
that's okay. That's good. You still have 1.
But I like it.
Okay.
Because they're doing this.
So that means you did a good job at school. Say congratulations, Ate Malia.
But I just, but I'm just watching writing in my book. But that's my classmate's book.
Oh,
Teacher just not know the
okay.
name of my classmate.
Okay.
To know the name of the book, but I do my assignment today
Oh, that's good.
at home.
Okay, very good.
No.
Mabait tong anak ko talaga. Hindi niya talaga tinatanggal yung kanyang sunglasses. Good job, baby Yana. Pag
You
nilalag-
going, but I didn't have some sunglasses.
Yeah, I forgot the other one. You should use the other one. Ayana has another one black sunglasses. I forgot. Because your mama did not tell me to you're going to pick us up. That's why I forgot to bring. I didn't know.
But it's too hot in the sun.
I know it's too hot in the sun.
I can't see.
Well, you can swim in the shade where there's no light.
But if I swim and if I just walk, my eyes will work. But you have to put sunscreen on, baby Anna.
Oh yeah, I forgot the sunscreen. Are we here? Yeah, we're here.
But you have to put some.
Let's go. I can see your mother. Come on, go.
Wait.
Look, where are you going? Where are you going? Oh, it's not. It's gone. It's dead. Come, let's go. Yeah, it's gone. Alligator. Okay. Let's go this way. Wow, it's nice to swim, baby Yana. Oh, yeah. You can swim on the shade. Shaky, shaky ba tayo dito? Shaky, shaky. Wala masyadong tao. Which is good. Where's your mother? Oh, there. We go on this side. Right here, baby. Malia. Right here. Oh.
I want the tank down, then the toilet.
Where's your outfit? We're gonna change? It's against the light.
It's too hot in the toilet. It's okay. They won't see you. I will hide it. Gusto ko talaga mangagat eh. Nagigigil ako eh. Gusto ko mangagat. Ilulunod kita. Ilulunod kita. Tara na. Tara na. Tara na. Get change na nga. Hurry up na, baby. Come on, let's go swim. Malia, Yana is excited to go swim. Hurry up. You see? She said, hurry, Ate Malia. Ate Malia, go hurry up. Go hurry up, Ate Malia. We will go to swim. Yeah, we'll give you 5 minutes. May timer. Ang sarap maligo sana. Hindi ako magsuswim, sila lang ng tita niya. Kasi nagsukat ako ng mga swimsuit doon sa bahay. Diyos ko na yung Marimar, nakakatakot. Nakakasuka yung aking katawan. Balyena na. Ay, mommy need to go diet na. I need to diet myself, baby Yana, so I can wear my my swimsuit. Seen it? Mommy is so chubby looking. It doesn't look good at all. Only my baby Yana and Tita Shea will go take a shower today. Look at my baby Yana. Ang bait lang talaga to ng anak ko. Hindi niya talaga tinatanggal yung sunglasses niya. Mula nung try niya mag-sunglasses, hindi niya talaga tinatanggal. You're so good, baby Yana. You're so behave. That's a good girl, baby Yana. It's a good girl. Hindi nakasama yung kanyang daddy ngayon kasi.
Shortcut, trust me.
Hindi nakasama yung kanyang daddy ngayon kasi may trabahong kailangan tapusin. So, tayo-tayo lang muna, baby Yana, no? Ganda na. Ate, pwede ba? So hot. We will have what you want to drink, baby. I wish you can eat like Ate Malia does. She like French fries. You want French fries? You wanna try it on? You want to try the water? Huh? Let's see, baby. Okay, let's see. Ko lang na-realize. Kanina pa ako nagsasalita. Copyright tayo nito. Oh, sayang naman ang aking video. Kaka-copyright tayo, baby Yana. May music sila. Hindi ko siya ma-upload ng ganito. Kailangan natin mag-voice over. Kakainis naman, may music. Copyright ako. Kailangan natin look at Ate Malia. Oh, look at Ate Malia. Come here. Show the video. Dali. Go. Oh no. Oh no. Mula. Tsaka. Wow, you got it floating.
You ready?
Yung duck sana yun. Nakalimutan ko bumili. Makabili yung duck na yung lumulutang. Next time nilang, baby Yana. Bili tayong lumulutang na duck. Oh, you go na. You go. Ate Malia is there already. Tanggalin mo short.
Tanggalin mo shirt.
Oy, wait lang.
Palibitayin na ako. Nalungit kita?
May pampers yung suot.
Ay, dapat hindi mo pinapansinan ko.
May order kang drinks?
May kape ako.
Ang init ng kape.
Latte. Kaya nga, mainit nga. Pero gusto ko rin kape. Bakit ba? Mali, what do
Tanggalin
you
yung
want to
pampers
drink?
ka pa. Pagtatai sa loob. O, pagtatai
Do you want to drink something? Water?
juice.
Bahala ka. Ngayon mo,
Isang
makapili
juice?
tayo.
Hayaan mo na. Hindi
Hindi mo
naman
drink juice, anak.
Hayaan mo na yung pampers niya.
Hindi pwede. Bakit?
Mommy,
Yes, my love.
Mommy said.
Hindi pwede.
Bakit hindi pwede?
Eh, paano
Lalo
magdadae siya?
mabibigat to.
Paano magdadae yan?
Hindi naman ito matatagal dyan. Patumain na ba ito? Hindi pa.
Hindi pa. Pwede naman ganyan. Yan.
Hindi nga, bibigat niya ito.
O ayaw mo mabigat?
Alam, bibigat niya kasi absorb lahat ng tao ng tubig dyan. Paano ka? Akala mo nung pagkatayo, hindi rin na ano. Magdala ka ng pangalan niya sa tiyan niya kapag ano.
Yung ano?
Kasi ano. Ang galing yun, pwede. May isang ano, pang swimming na pang panty lang. Yung dating gamit ni Malya. Yung panty na swimming.
Ogo. Tibak. Taas nga muna. Naging tibak agad din. Go, 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 bam, bam. Baby boy ko. Sim, sim na baby Yana. Yung go, si Maria. Very excited na siya. Excited na siya. You got something in your, ano baby? Eyelashes. Oh, there you go. Okay, go. Ano hinahanap mo? Kanino yan?